how to turn your activity off on Instagram. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn your activity off on Instagram. So in order to turn off your activity status on Instagram, it's a very simple procedure. First of all, you'll have to log in into your account. So for that, you need to go ahead and open up your Instagram and enter in your credential, log in into your account. Once logged in, that's going to take you to the interface, which is going to look something like this. Now right on this page, go ahead and tap the profile icon located right at the bottom, and then click the try bar icon and go to settings and privacy. When you've actually turned on your activity status on Instagram, that will let people know that you're actually active or online on Instagram with the green dot icon located next to your profile. However, with this, you can also see somebody who has actually turned on their activity status, or you'll be able to see who is actually online on Instagram. Now then, to turn it off, you'll need to go ahead and head over to the section that says how others can interact with you, and under it click on message and story replies. Under it, go ahead and tap on show activity status, and you'll need to toggle the button in order to turn it off. In my case, it's already turned off, so this should look something like this when you have actually turned off. So when you turn it off, you'll not be able to see, neither others will be able to see whether you're active or not, nor you'll be able to see whether they're active or not. So that's how you can turn off your activity off on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.